Welcome back to the channel where we share simple guides for everyday mobile apps and online tools. In today's video, you will learn how to change your password in the Cake app using your phone settings inside the app. First, open the Cake app on your phone. Next, locate and click on the profile icon at the top right. Then, find the settings icon within your profile page and click on it. Next, scroll until you see the password section and tap on the option that says Change Password. Then, enter your current password in the first field to confirm your identity. After that, type your new password in the New Password field and make sure it is strong and secure. Next, enter the same new password again in the Confirm Password field to verify it. Finally, tap on the Complete button to save the changes and update your Cake account password. Once the process is finished, your new password will be active and you will use it the next time you sign into the Cake app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.